In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own Justin clamps. What is a Justin clamp? This is a Justin clamp from Manfrotto that retails for $56. This is a DIY Justin clamp that I'll show you how to make for $23. Stay tuned. Hey gang, I know, I can hear it loud and clear. Why is it called a Justin clamp and what do you use it for? It's called a Justin clamp because it's named after its inventor, self-described tinkerer and photographer, Justin Stailey of New York. Justin, who at the time was working for Bogen, created the clamp to solve mounting complaints from photographer Joe McNally. McNally was running into problems mounting the heavy Nikon speedlights in unusual places with the existing clamps and ball heads that were available on the market. Stailey took some off-the-shelf pieces from Bogen and created this Frankenstein of a clamp that went on to be named the Justin clamp. What is brilliant about the design is that it's incredibly versatile. I would encourage any photographer who does location lighting to have at least 2 of these in your kit. Be sure to stay tuned until the end, and I'll show you a few of the many ways that you can use it. But for the sake of not spending more than $100 to have 2 of these in your kit, just in case you need them, let's do some problem solving and build our own Justin clamps. This is a pretty simple DIY project. The only tools that you'll need are a drill with a 1/4-inch cobalt bit. You want a cobalt bit because they'll drill through the metal clamp easily. You'll also need a pair of pliers and a skinny flathead or Phillips screwdriver. The parts are a simple spring clamp. I purchased this Husky 2-inch metal spring clamp with pivot tips at Home Depot for $3.47. I went with this one only because of the tilting grips, since they'll add just a little bit more versatility. You could build it with the basic A-clamp that you can purchase for about $2. I'm using an Bogen BDO mini ball head, which can be purchased for $12 at Amazon or B&H Photo. It is important to use a ball head that is designed to handle the weight of your flash. These Bogen ball heads support up to 6.6 pounds, which is more than enough to handle a speedlight or even the Godok's 8200 pocket flashes. Just as a reference, a Manfrotto ball head rated for only 4.4 pounds will cost you $59. Ouch! The real challenge was how to add a stand mount since I don't have a machine shop or a welding option. My solution was this speedlight stand mount and umbrella holder from Amazon that also comes packaged with the 1/4-inch to 3/8-inch screw adapter that I need for the side of the clamp, and it sells for just $5.99. Those are the 3 main pieces. In addition, I used 2 1/4-inch flat washers, 1 1/4-20 1/2-inch screw, and 1 1/4-20 3/4-inch screw. Both screws should be the round head combo machine type. I also used 1 1/4-inch nut. All I needed to do was drill 4 holes with a 1/4-inch cobalt drill bit. 1 hole on each side of the top of the clamp, and 1 hole on each of the handles of the clamp. It turned out that there was already a hole drilled in the metal handle, so it was just a matter of locating the hole and then drilling through the rubber grip. Next, I attached the 1/4-inch to 3/8-inch screw adapter to the top right side of the clamp using a 1/4-20 by 1/2-inch machine screw. The reason for drilling the second hole on the top left side of the clamp was so that you can place a screwdriver through the hole to tighten the screw while holding the adapter with a pair of pliers. Next, I attached the speedlight stand mount holder by removing the cold shoe, which leaves a long 1/4-20 thread. Push that through the hole that you drilled in the bottom rubber handle, and using a 1/4-inch flat washer and a 1/4-20 nut, tighten it with your fingers first, and then a pair of pliers. Last step, grab the 1/4-20 by 3/4-inch screw and a 1/4-inch flat washer. Slide them through the top handle and attach the Bogen ball head and tighten with a screwdriver. And there you have it, your own DIY Justin clamp for less than $23 and about 10 minutes of build time per clamp. Remember the origin of the clamp. It's a problem solver clamp. In other words, there's no one right or wrong way to use it. It is a clamp that is going to solve problems with getting lights in places that you can't go with stands, or holding gobos, or flags, or just about anything that you may need in a shoot. Here are just a few of the ways that you can use this clamp. remember that cold shoe that I took off the stand mount adapter? You can add it back to the ball head to mount a speed light, or try any of these combinations. And I assure you that there are many more. I also made it a point to build one with the stud on the left side in addition to the one that I have with it on the right side, so that I have more versatility in my mounting options. I hope this gives you some ideas. Take these ideas and run with it. Go create and show me what you come up with. Until next time, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss any videos. And don't keep all this cool stuff to yourself. Please share it with your photography friends. Photography is not a competition. It is a passion to be shared. So go pick up that camera and shoot something, because your best shot, it's your next shot. So keep learning, keep thinking, and keep shooting. Adios.